A new video from a Chinese humanoid robot factory has gone viral online. The robots look incredibly lifelike, and some of their movements are indistinguishable from those of real humans. China has long established itself as the global leader in everything related to technology, whether it is artificial intelligence, robotics, or virtual reality. This new video comes from the factory of the well-known company EX Robots, based in Liaoning. EX Robots gained recognition for creating humanoid robots that are almost impossible to distinguish from real people. They look just like humans. Their silicone skin is nearly identical to ours, and they are capable of performing a wide range of roles in society, including in healthcare, customer service, and education. The video gaining traction on the EX Robots channel features attractive female humanoids mirroring the movements of the women interacting with them. It is reported that EX Robots is already producing 2,000 such humanoid units per year. The robots can also be controlled by users. Through a dedicated application, users can change the robot's facial expressions or use gloves to control hand gestures. The robots are capable of expressing emotions like joy or sadness, sticking out their tongues or making sad eyes. There is no doubt that human-robot coexistence is the future, a future we should actively work toward. Specialists from the company Engineered Arts have revealed how their latest and most lifelike robots known as Mesmer are created. Mesmer robots utilize the latest advancements in robotics and animation to deliver realistic and convincing human-like appearances. One of the unique features of the Mesmer robots is their skin. This artificial skin, made from a special silicone material, not only visually resembles human skin, but also possesses elasticity, allowing it to replicate natural movements and facial expressions. Inside the robots are numerous small motors and sensors that provide precise control over facial expressions and gestures. This enables Mesmer to display a wide range of emotions, from joy to sadness, making them more convincing in human interaction. Engineered Arts has developed a control system that allows Mesmer robots not only to respond to external stimuli, but also to learn based on interactions with people. You are looking at the mass production process of high-quality silicone, which is later used to create ultra-realistic skin for robots, such as those from the Mesmer project. This entire process takes place at a specialized manufacturing facility. This type of silicone is not only popular for making robotic skin, but also for producing special kitchenware and children's products due to its softness, health safety, and durability. The production process begins with the preparation of silicone, the raw material, which is delivered in a soft, pliable form. Silicone can come in various colors and is mixed with pigments when colored products are required. The silicone is then heated and placed into special molds. These molds are made of metal, and under high temperature and pressure, the silicone takes on the desired shape. After molding, the silicone is cooled to solidify and gain the necessary strength. Once cooled, the parts go through a finishing stage, during which excess edges are removed and a thorough quality inspection is performed. Sometimes this step includes manual refinement. Every stage of production is accompanied by strict quality control. The manufacturing process at the factory is organized using automated technologies, allowing for high-volume output while maintaining rigorous quality standards. We return once again to China, where the company Agibbot has released new footage from its largest humanoid robot manufacturing plant in Shanghai, where more than 1,000 robots have already been produced. Founded in February 2023, the company focuses on the development and mass production of general-purpose robotic humanoids. Judging by the video, Agibbot clearly aims to become an industry leader, considering the scale of its operations. The company's main models are the Yuanzheng A2 and the Raise A1. These robots are equipped with powerful artificial intelligence and are capable of processing text, audio, and visual information, performing various tasks including home assistance. They are designed to work in industrial settings, taking on roles such as tightening bolts, inspecting vehicles, and conducting laboratory research. At the Shanghai factory, the production process of humanoid robots involves several stages: assembly of modular components, durability and performance testing, as well as verification of autonomous operation. A particularly interesting feature is that robots already produced are involved in assembling and testing new units. Agibbot continues to actively advance the humanoid robotics industry, offering innovative solutions for both industrial and domestic applications. Chinese factories are rapidly integrating robots into production, focusing on speed, automation, and independence from human labor. Magic bots are among them, next-generation humanoid machines developed by Magic Lab, a company that not only creates robots, but also builds a full-scale infrastructure for their mass production. At the MagicBot factory, the robots are not just being built, they are actively involved in the work processes. They perform a wide range of tasks, moving boxes and crates around the warehouse, scanning barcodes, assembling components, and handling loading and unloading operations. The third-generation humanoid machines are equipped with 42 degrees of freedom and can replicate up to 70% of human hand movements. They are capable of lifting loads weighing up to 40 kilograms, working autonomously for up to 5 hours without recharging, and precisely repeating programmed movements. The Chinese company Sherry, in collaboration with artificial intelligence developer Amoga, has unveiled a new humanoid robot factory where the advanced model Mornin plays a central role. This humanoid robot, standing 167 centimeters tall and weighing 65 kilograms, is equipped with 41 degrees of freedom, including 12 in each arm, allowing it to perform complex manipulations and move at speeds of up to 1 meter per second. Mornin is capable of speech recognition, spatial navigation using cameras, laser and millimeter wave radars, and can interact with both humans and other robots thanks to its integrated language model and sensory system. At the new factory, Mornin performs a wide range of production tasks. It takes part in assembling and installing components, transports materials between work zones, and coordinates operations with other machines. The robots operate as a team, synchronizing their movements, adapting to changes, and demonstrating high levels of coordination in collaborative tasks. Robotic factories continue to take over the world. The company Techman Robot has unveiled its concept of intelligent manufacturing by integrating advanced collaborative robots into modern production processes. TM Robot specializes in the development of cobots, robots designed to safely interact with humans in industrial environments. One of the key features of these robots is the built-in machine vision system known as TM Vision. This system allows them to recognize objects, read barcodes, determine part orientation, and perform precise operations without the need for additional equipment. TM Robot solutions are already being used in factories across the globe, from electronics assembly to product packaging. Thanks to simple visual programming and flexible configuration, cobots can be easily integrated even into small businesses. These robots are not just assistants. They take over precise and repetitive tasks that cause human eyes and hands to grow tired.